What do you take in breakfast?
Actually, I will tell you, I love food. I am a total foodie. But I control myself a lot, which is very difficult. It is extremely difficult to control your diet. Because अगर किसी इंसान को खाने का शौक है तो उसके सामने आप हलवा रखो और उसको मना कर दे, या बिरयानी रखो उसको मना कर दे, that's something, it's a very difficult thing.
Yes.
So what I do is, I actually don't diet. I don't believe in dieting. I believe in eat well, in moderation, and slog, work out and burn it off. So in the morning when I wake up, I try to have a healthy breakfast. I start my day drinking a lot of water, because water is very important for the body. 70% of our body is water. And 30% is mass, whatever, bones and all. So water is a very important ingredient for our health. I start my day with at least 2 bottles of water, first thing in the morning. I have 1 garlic every day since years. Without having first thing in the morning, after my water, I have 1 garlic in the morning, which is very good for thins your blood.
Okay.
It thins your blood. The blood flow in your veins, otherwise the blood thickens and then it causes heart attacks and all that,
yes.
heart problems and all that. So it's very good for thinning of blood. Then I also have adrak.
Ginger, adrak.
Ginger
yes.
in the morning. This much of ginger with jaggery. I don't have sugar at all in my tea and all. I have a little. I've got a sweet tooth. I love sweets. I just can't resist sweets. I mean, give me gulab jamun and barfi and all that. I just can't resist chocolates and everything. But I try to have dark chocolates. And I have totally cut down on my sugar. I don't have any sugar in my tea. So I try to have jaggery to quench my sweet tooth thirst.
Jaggery, हाँ.
उसके लिए मैं वो खाता हूँ. Then ginger has got a lot of qualities also. Ginger is very good for your bones. So I have that. Then I have a cup of tea in the morning without sugar, of course. I love tea with Parle-G biscuit. So I have that. A little bit binging is very necessary also. Then after that, I have my breakfast. My breakfast includes like egg. Sometimes it depends on my mood. I have 2 eggs. I'm not into egg whites and all that. So I have 2 eggs and I have chapati. I avoid bread. I don't like to eat. So I have chapati with the eggs. And after that, my afternoon meal, my lunch mein, I just try to, binge. I don't like to cut down on my lunch.
So what is it that you exactly have in your lunch?
So अगर घर में बिरयानी बनी है तो मैं बिरयानी खा लेता हूँ lunch में. अगर I'm very fond of chicken. Chicken बना है तो वो खा लेता हूँ. But what I try to do is I don't mix my wheat and rice
together,
because that causes some kind of a chemical reaction, they say, in the body. And I either have rice or chapati. And wheat, again, lately it's proven that wheat is also not good for the body. But I'm trying to avoid that. Wheat also. The best thing would be just cut off the carbs. But then your body sometimes, it craves for the carbs.
Sir, रात के खाने में आप क्या लेते हैं?
पसंद तो बहुत कुछ करता हूँ, लेकिन क्या खाता हूँ वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. अभी देखिए, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम इसमें बिलीव नहीं करता कि एकदम ऐसे सूख जाओ और एकदम वो हो जाओ अपने आप. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट. आई बिलीव कि भाई आप खाओ, वर्कआउट करो। तो मैं रात को तो अवॉइड ही करता हूँ कि रात को खाना अवॉइड इसलिए करना चाहिए, कम इस खाना ही चाहिए उसूलन। ये उसूल बना लेना चाहिए हर शख्स को कि रात का खाना जो है वो 8 बजे खा लिया जाए और कम से कम मात्रा में खाया जाए। तो उससे डाइजेशन भी ठीक होता है, सुबह काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, वेट लॉस भी होता है और बहुत ज़रूरी है ये
बहुत
सारी
ज़रूरी
चीज़ें।
है।
और मैं सोने से पहले 1 बॉटल पानी और पीता हूँ।
1 बॉटल पानी, सो उसके पीछे क्या राज है? 1 बॉटल पानी सोने से पहले?
वो ये सब सिस्टम क्लियर होता है। पानी एक तरह का डिटॉक्स है, आप जितना पानी पियो उतना अच्छा है। जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि 70% तो हमारा बॉडी इट्स लाइक मेड ऑफ वाटर। सो जितना पानी पिएंगे उतना ही अच्छा है।
Subscribe for more such informative videos.